Ever wondered if what you know about debt is really the truth? Or just a myth? It's time to challenge our beliefs and shine a light on some of the most common misconceptions about debt. Join us as we debunk the 8 most common debt myths. The first myth we're busting: you should always pay off your smaller debts first. While this can give a quick sense of accomplishment, it's not always efficient. High-interest debts grow faster and can cost you more. The truth? Prioritizing high-interest debt can save you more in the long run. Myth number 2: all debt is bad debt. But let's rethink this. Some debts, like student loans or a mortgage, can be strategic investments in your future. They open doors to education and homeownership. Reality check: not all debt is bad, and it can even be a tool for building wealth when used wisely. Myth 3: you don't need a budget if you're earning a good income. This couldn't be farther from the truth. Even high earners need a budget to manage their finances effectively. Without it, they risk overspending and not saving enough. The fact: everyone needs a budget to ensure they're living within their means and saving for the future. So there you have it. 3 common debt myths busted. First, we tackled the idea that you should always pay off your smallest debts first. While it can give you a sense of accomplishment, it's not always the most efficient strategy. Instead, consider focusing on debts with higher interest rates. Next, we debunked the notion that all debt is inherently bad. Remember, certain forms of debt like mortgages or student loans can be beneficial if managed properly. It's about leveraging debt as a tool, not fearing it. Lastly, we busted the myth that you don't need a budget if you make a lot of money. Regardless of your income, a budget is essential to keep track of your spending and saving. It's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep. Challenge what you know about debt. Do your own research. Ask questions. Because when it comes to managing your finances, there are no one-size-fits-all solutions. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to managing your money. Stay curious, stay informed, and you'll stay in control of your financial future. Thank you for watching this video. We hope these debt-busting myths have given you new perspectives and insights. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to managing your finances. So keep asking questions, keep doing your research, and keep challenging the status quo. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Keda the Finance Chick, for more financial insights. As we always say, stay curious, stay informed, and you'll stay in control of your financial future.